What's up, everybody? So the first test went pretty well this morning. I'm now at the shop. I don't remember what time it is. It is 9:50. Took me a little while to get in today to display everything that's going on with my cameras. Also, I was kind of wanting to sit around a little bit to see if my package would get there early enough this morning with my new camera. So at some point, I will get an email update on that. Hopefully soon. I do not have it yet. But anyway, since that happens, I'm gonna run home, grab that camera so we can play with it today. But first and foremost, I got the 3.8 3800 V6 out that Camaro in, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today, is tearing that down, getting that washed. I'm gonna try to knock that out all in one day today. Maybe. Got a little bit of a raspy throat, but I think I feel good enough to do this. If not, I want to make sure I get it done in 2 days. 3 days maximum. I really don't want it to take that long because I want to also jump on that 396 I said I was going to be building, that I'm putting to the side for the moment so I can get this 3.8, because that's tying up my friend's shop that pulled it out the car for me, and I'm going to be on vacation next week, and so I don't want to hold his shop up for 2 weeks over a motor that's sitting here right now. But anyways, I'm going to get to work on that and hopefully talk to you guys a little bit later and have a lot more done to talk about. What was that? Oh. Is that a UPS? Let's see if it says delivered. Okay. Notification. What are you telling me? Your package has been delivered. Let's close up shop. I think I got this where y'all can see what I'm seeing. Yeah. Let's get the old knife out. Cut the box. Never cut too deeply. You never know what's in there. Especially like me being a machinist and like opening gasket sets. It's never good to cut too deep down in there. You don't want to cut a gasket in half. Alright, let's get this side. Why is this being so difficult to cut? It's out of control. Alright. Let's put that away. The box felt awful light, which I'm hoping the camera is just that light and the lens, because it felt like there was nothing in here. Da-da-da-da. Yeah. Well, let's kind of do that again. Put that back in there. All right. I don't think I had the camera angled right. So let's go pick this up. We'll pretend we didn't already do this. But this is my 10 to 18 millimeter wide lens. That way there, when I go on vacation here in about 3 days, I got something I can vlog with. Yeah. When I get back, I don't know if I'm going to use this camera too much in the shop, just being, you see my hands. They're not exactly the cleanest. And then here's what I actually bought. The reason I bought that lens. Da-da-dum. My SL3. Yeah. My first DSLR. I guess this one's considered DSLR. I don't know. It's entry level DSLR, blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying. But either way, this is what I got. I'm pretty stoked about this actually. Let's get that out the way. Uh-oh. I'm gonna knock over there. We won't worry about that. Let's open her up and see what she looks like, what all she comes with. Oh, some paperwork. Nope, and nope. We don't need that stuff. Oh, yeah, let's get to the meat of it. The battery, which they said this camera now has like double the battery life as the SL2, which is another thing that sold me on buying this thing. Or shish. The lens that comes with it. Yeah, buddy. This comes with the camera as a kit, the 18 to 55. I don't really know enough about lenses yet. I just know it said if I wanted to do vlogging with this kind of camera that I really should invest in this lens. So that's why I bought that one. And I got it on sale for $199. So that didn't seem too bad, for considering a lot of the lenses are like $2,000-$3,000 for some of them. I was like, Jesus Christ, I am not paying that much for one. So that must go to the camera. Yeah, okay, then that's the actual inside. Yeah, there we go. That looks like how I'm used to seeing things. It's kind of nice and easy to get on and off for someone that's never ever picked one up before. And the battery charger, yay, because definitely gonna need that. One thing I didn't buy, yes, it did come with one of these. I was holding off until it got here to know whether or not it had one of these in it or not. I did not know if it did, so it did, so that's awesome. I don't need to buy one now, but I do need to buy another battery. That is my next thing. Hopefully somebody has one in stock, because I'm gonna need it more than one. I guarantee that. This thing is super light. Like, I mean, I've never actually held many of these in my hand other than, you know, pulling it out on the little thing at Best Buy, which isn't exactly a good representation of what it weighs because it's tethered. Yeah, so the mount is right there. I don't have to put anything underneath it. Ooh, that's what they were talking about. The battery's underneath, and if you have it on a tripod, it'd be kind of hard to replace. But that's the only really big downside I saw. But I love the fact that it had the LCD screen on the side. Close that back up. Yeah, now I just gotta do, I've been watching a boat ton of videos on how to use this camera and what its features are and blah blah blah. Of course, you know, I do probably about 2 to 3 weeks worth of heavy intensive research before I buy anything. And I've done quite a bit of research on these type cameras in general, like a DSLR. It's just this one was the one that stood out to me. So now that I've decided that I was buying this one, let me get the strap around my neck a little better. But since I decided this is the one I'm buying, now I have started researching this one and this one only on its features and how it works and blah blah blah, even though I don't know what half of what they're talking about means. But I'm gonna get all that figured out and whatnot. And more paperwork. I need the paperwork. Don't people know that's what YouTube's for? Someone else tell you about it. Just playing. I'll read it later. Alright, so it's just a much wider angle. Jesus. It's a big old lens. 10 to 18, so that must be a zoom. Yeah. That's what all that means. I figured as much, but you know, got to figure these things out when you've never done it. Autofocus, manual focus, stabilization, awesome. All on that guy. Show, let's put you over here. I want to read this one the same way. Image stabilizer. So yep, it's got those both also. So yeah, now let's just play with it. So I'm gonna get the battery charged and check out, or if it is already charged and all that, and I might make a video with it. We'll see. Either way, got my new toy today. Talk to you guys later. Alright, another vlog, edits in. This is where I have to do the whole rundown of, over here's a like button. You hit that, that'll help the algorithm out so other people can watch this video other than just maybe the 1 or 2 people that are seeing it right now. There's a comment section right here. Click on that. That way there you can argue with me over what you disliked about this video, and maybe other people will comment and then they will argue against your argument. Comment sections, they're out of control. Anyways, subscribe button right over here. Make sure you hit that. Ring the bell. That way there you get all the notifications, everything I'm uploading. I will talk to you guys later.